All right, folks, let's talk about Jamaica's latest political drama because nothing says Caribbean heat quite like two grown men sending each other angry letters about the Constitution. Guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, guys, kind of make sure you subscribe. If this is not your first time here and you have not yet subscribed, come on, guys. Today, do it today. This might be, if this is your first time here, I just want you to know that this is a reaction channel. We are not here to fight. We are not here to argue. We are a respectable channel. And we are just here to have fun. So, Prime Minister Andrew Holness writes a very polite but firm letter to Mark Golding, leader of the opposition. You know, it's serious when politicians use the word courteous. That's a code for I am smiling, but I'm also sharpening my cutlass under the table. Wholeness is like, Mark, my friend, let's resume the Vale Royal talks. The people gave us a mandate to make Jamaica a republic. And the Goldings over here like, me nah chat to Delroy Chuck. Me want the boss man himself. Honestly, it's like two kids on the playground fighting over who gets to go down the slide first. And you know, politicians love to reference their manifesto. Wholeness is like, it's in the JLP manifesto, right next to fix all the potholes and bring back Air Jamaica. Because, you know, Jamaican manifestos or manifestos are like IKEA instructions. Nobody ever really reads them, but everybody is expert on the furniture, how to build furniture anyway. But let's be real. The Vale Royal talks sound fancy, but I bet it's just a WhatsApp group with two blue ticks and a lot of memes. Every time Holness says, let's talk in good faith, Golden replies with, seen, but then just post a picture of Usain Bolt running away. And now Golden wants a direct meeting because why chat with the Minister of Constitutional Affairs when you can go right to the top? That's like refusing to talk to the cashier and demanding to see the manager at KFC, except instead of extra fries, you want a whole new system of government. But let's give them credit. At least they are writing letters in the US. They just tweet passive aggressively. In Jamaica, we keep it classy. Dear sir, yours sincerely, please explain why you're moving the goalpost again. And now Wholeness is basically saying, I thought we agreed on this. You can't change the plan last minute. It's like when you and your friend agree to go to the beach, then suddenly he shows up in hiking boots talking about a mountain trek. At the end of the day, I just want them to hurry up and make Jamaica a republic. Because if there's one thing Jamaicans are tired of, it's being a Commonwealth realm. Let's be real. The only queen we recognize is Miss Lou. So, to Wholeness and Golden, I say, stop with letters, stop with the back and forth. Just link up at Jerk Chicken Stand, have a Guinness, and sort it out. Because the only thing we want more than a republic is some real unity, plus a holiday to celebrate when we finally agree. Thank you, Jamaica. I'll be here until the next election or until the letters turn into voice notes.